Good morning YouTube family and welcome to another video. As always, Callan Wesley here, and if you're new here, smash that subscribe button so we can grow together, get better together and improve little by little every single day while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the room. Before I get questions about this shirt, this is from one of my most favorite Ghanaian designers, Ghanaian brands called Nalim. I'll put a link to them in the description. Pretty much all my dress shirts, all my lovely Ghanaian shirts are from them, or I buy them from the locals off the street. Today, woke up, the weather was a little bit overcast, so I thought, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to make sure I can go and register my drone. So that's what I did all this morning, making sure I have all the right documentation, all the right paperwork, so I can now, where I'm going, take it up, fly it up, and show you the scenes. I'm sure you're going to love it. It is such a beautiful spot. I'm going to absolutely love it. My dad's joining me. We're going to go have lunch, going to go on the beach, going to show you all around. So I hope you all enjoy it. So what I did, I just very quickly packed up this bag. It's an Emirates beach bag. I absolutely love it. I've got my hat inside there, my shirt, and then I've just got some sun cream because even if it is still overcast, this skin of mine is just going to turn absolutely red. So I've got some sun cream. So let's head on the way then, show you all what to expect. We have found ourselves at the magnificent, at the beautiful Labadi Beach Hotel. It is one of a kind. Just look at the view you're greeted with when you come through. You got the palm trees looking super pretty. You have numerous different pools. There's a pool down there that you can do like full laps on, 25-meter pool. You have another pool over here that you can splash in, and it actually has stairs over here, so you can come from the main pool all the way up. And then over here, the pool that wraps around the front of the hotel. I'll show you a little bit later when I get in. It's actually designed to be sand, so it goes from sand, you can see the different colorations, all the way into the normal pool. They have a buffet area up here, and then they have numerous different bars. There's a bar on the beach, there's a bar over here, then there's another bar over there, and a buffet area here. So I've got my dad with me. We're gonna go explore a little bit and then end up going to the beach afterwards and see what we have in store. But it is so lovely with all the palm trees. It makes you feel super tropical, so let's go test it out. I always get asked to show the menu, so right here at the Labadi Beach Hotel I thought I would show you their a la carte menu. They also have obviously a buffet every lunchtime. They have starters, you can see with all the prices associated. They have salads, they have vegetarian options also, and then soups onto light meals. All the way to the bottom they also have toasted sandwiches. They have a Labadi burger selection, which is apparently world famous here. Their burgers are amazing. My dad's going to give it a try. Then we have from the grill, and they have their specialities. They also, if you're feeling like pasta, they have some pasta. They also have a platter selection, which is, it serves for two. You have your side orders, which I'm going to get a side order of French fries with my main meal, and then desserts onto beverages. They have you covered. You have your mineral waters, your soft drinks, your juices, your teas and coffees, your milkshakes, smoothies, ciders, premixes, and your beers, your gins, and everything like that. And then if you're feeling more adventurous, they have another side at the back where they have all their vodkas, their whiskeys. They have their single malt whiskeys, their rums, their liqueurs, brandies, your cognac, tequilas, your bitters, digestives, and then they also, as always, have a whole lot of selections of different types of cocktails that you can choose from. So that is pretty much the menu. Really nice location here. The beach is just through there. It's completely enclosed. They have fans going, people working, and there my dad is. And then we have just the other side all the swimming pools on this little ravine area with some mosquito nets to keep the mosquitoes away. We just finished up our lunch right now. It was actually really nice. I ended up ordering a side order of chips because I didn't think it was going to be that much. Ended up being quite a lot of food, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. Got my dad with me. He's going to come lie on the beach, give me some company. He also really enjoyed his. He got himself a burger, and it's 50 Ghanaian cedis. So ended up getting a towel hide. Now we're going to make our way to the beach. They usually have deck chairs out there. They'll put some cushioning out there for us, and then just enjoy the weather. It's a little bit overcast right now, as you can see, but nonetheless we're going to make the best of it and go and enjoy the beach. We have now made our way back to the pool. We just got this little spot over here. My dad's busy having a little afternoon nap. I think I'm gonna go and join him because even though it's overcast, it's still quite hot. Really nice. Like I said, this pool area is absolutely beautiful. You get such nice vibes, such nice atmosphere being here. Hope you all enjoyed the drone footage because it was extremely nerve-wracking doing it. Seeing as how that's only the second time I've ever flown my drone, and there's not as many satellites as I'm used to in Belgium, so there was a few opportunities where I started actually losing signal, and the one time actually a crow flew into it, but it like fell and managed to stabilize. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to jump in the pool, swim up and down, because you can't come and not enjoy a pool like this. Maybe get a drink at the bar and then just see what the afternoon has in store for us. But it's very murky. It almost feels like a Hummerton type when it's very overcast and very like, it almost looks like low cloud cover. But it's a beautiful day nonetheless. Can't complain when you're in this absolutely paradise. I absolutely love this hotel. Like just have a look around. Especially with all these beautiful trees like that. So like I said, I'm sitting in the pool right now, standing in it right now. Gonna throw the camera down, gonna go for a swim. Honestly, had such a good sleep, and then I was just walking from the chair I was lying on onto, hello there. Hey! And I'm saying the spirit chair is just unmatched. I was literally just sitting on the chair, and then I was walking around, and there was a couple with a little girl and their mother's gone in, so they're here for the country. and we were just talking about how far ahead of its time Ghana is and the development and everything. It was a super nice chat, and that's just what you don't get that in other countries, where Liz just walked, she saw my camera, she was like, hey, what are you doing here? So I told my whole life story, she told me her life story. The guy was actually at the 2010 World Cup in South Africa, as I was too, so we had a huge conversation about that. But just the whole vibe's lovely. You saw I was just filming, the girl walked past, wanted to be in the video. They have like this outside bar area here, which is absolutely amazing. They're playing all this old school music that I absolutely love, all the old hip hop, like the Biggie, the Busta Rhymes and everything. So the atmosphere has been unmatched, especially with people like that. It makes it just, it's just such a beautiful place to be. So it's getting a little bit cold now. It's around 3:30, 4:45, so I'm gonna go wake my dad up. He's still having a really good sleep in the background on his chair, so I'm gonna go finish that up, and then Williams should be coming soon to pick us up. But really beautiful day. Back home now, and it was a really memorable day. And the one thing that I just want to close the video out on, and I'm more than likely making it the title, so to give you guys and girls a little bit of perspective, and it came to me when I was talking to the lady and her husband by the pool, and she said, you know, they warned me about coming to Ghana, talking about her friends, and she says, and since I started coming, following her mother's roots back to Ghana, that it's always so hard for her to leave. And I said, I'm exactly the same. I find myself a person that does not really get attached to very many places. That's why I love living in different countries. I love traveling. I love just trying new things. That's why I've lived in like 5-6 different countries. And I said to her, but the one thing, whenever I come to Ghana, whenever I come to Accra, and then it's time to leave again, I always have like this sad feeling, like it brings a tear to my eye, like, oh man, I gotta leave again. Because I always have such a nice time. And we were talking about it, and we were like, I think it's a combination just because of the weather, the people are super friendly, and then everyone you can just come up and have a conversation with. No one's trying to do anything to get anything from you. Everyone's very laid back. Everyone's just not really driven by materialistic things and all of those type of aspects and ventures. So it was really nice. So I thought that's actually a really good point, because I watched so many YouTube videos before I came to Ghana, whether it be like What a Maya, Vanessa Canby, like all of the top YouTubers, and all of they were also like, once you come to Ghana and you want to leave again, you don't want to leave. So like, be very careful, because once you come, you just get this attachment to the place. And that's definitely happened over the last 4 or 5 years, and my family's been living here. But I had a really nice day. I hope you guys are enjoying my dad being in the vlog. So it was awesome to get him off work early, get him to come with me and experience some of the stuff that I love doing in Ghana. So with that being said, I'm going to conclude the video here. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it. I had so much fun flying the drone. I just had a really good day communicating, talking to people, and lots of people were just talking to me because I was walking around with my camera, and it's just a great way to meet new people and start conversations. So I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Take 2 seconds out of your day, please, and smash that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, share the video if you're feeling extra generous, because it really helps our channel grow. So thank you all so much for the support. Let's keep on growing together, let's keep on getting better together, and let's keep on improving little by little every single day to achieve all of our goals while spreading Ghana and while spreading Africa to the world. And I'll see you all tomorrow.